Did you not see my lady go down the garden singing? Blackbird and thrush were silent to hear the alleys ringing. Ah, saw you not my lady out in the garden there, shaming the rose and lily, for she is twice as fair. Though I am nothing to her, though she must rarely look at me, and though I may never woo her, I'll love her till I die. But surely you see my lady out in the garden singing, silencing all the songbirds and setting the alleys ringing. Ah, surely you see